So I just got the Haulmaster motorcycle carrier item number 62837, and I have never done this before. I'm thinking a little bit of engine assist is going to be helpful. I'm going to want it in gear anyway, so now I'm going to do it. The bike feels nice and solid. I could tighten it up a little bit more. My only note to self is before these ratchet straps go on, you need to go ahead and put the ramp back in place. Alright, let's see if unloading goes as smooth. That was very exciting. I liked it. It works. Totally works.